Unveiling the essence of a picture of health. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English idioms, focusing on a particularly vivid expression, a picture of health. This idiom paints a vivid image, but what does it really mean? Let's embark on this linguistic journey together and uncover the essence of being a picture of health. Idioms are phrases where the words together have a meaning that's different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. They add flavor to our language, making it more expressive and vibrant. A picture of health is a perfect example. At first glance, it might seem like it's talking about a literal picture. However, it's actually a metaphorical expression used to describe someone who appears to be in excellent health or condition. The phrase, "a picture of health," has been used in English literature for centuries. It's believed to originate from the idea that a healthy person's appearance can be as pleasing and perfect as a well-painted picture. This idiom captures the essence of health as something visible and admirable, just like a beautiful piece of art. When you say someone is a picture of health, you're not just commenting on their physical appearance. You're also implying that they exude vitality and well-being. It's often used to describe someone who has recovered from an illness or to compliment someone's healthy lifestyle. For example, after her vacation, Maria returned looking like a picture of health. 1. Despite his advanced age, my grandfather is a picture of health, thanks to his active lifestyle. 2. After months of treatment, she's now a picture of health. 3. You're a picture of health. Have you changed your diet or started a new exercise routine? These examples show how the idiom can be used in various contexts, always highlighting the subject's good health. In summary, a picture of health is a beautiful, idiomatic expression that celebrates vitality and well-being. It reminds us that health is not only a physical state but also an aesthetic and perceptible one. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of this colorful English idiom. Stay healthy, stay happy, and until next time, keep learning and exploring the depths of the English language with us.